Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the HubSpot app inside your agency and start using the work. Let's get the ball rolling. To the level of app marketplace, you search for the app HubSpot. You go, you click on it, you just go at the install and you select the sub account where you want the tool to be installed in. Let's go for example this one and you go and continue. You allow and install and you will automatically open this new window. In order to copy this custom menu link URL, click on it and you make sure it's copied and you switch back to the agency view to create the custom menu link. So you just come here at the settings and then custom menu links. You will go at the create new. You select an icon for your custom menu link. You type a name for your custom menu link. For example, you can say HubSpot CML. And here you paste the custom menu name URL that you copied. Scroll down from here, you select the sub account, whether it is sub account 1 or 2. From here, click on all and you make sure you save. You're done, you switch to the sub account. So here we install the tool inside the sub account 1 and we name it HubSpot CML. There you go. Search for HubSpot. As you can see, it's already connected. So click on it. This is a new interface at the level of documentation. You'll be able to access all the steps showing you how to set up the app. At the level of tutorials, you have this Smart Queue guide that's going to show you how to get the credentials to connect the tool. Here, the setup video. At the level of setup, if the tool is not connected, you just go at the start setup and you connect the tool. The level of support, if you encounter a bug, you can create a ticket by filling the form and submit. And instantly, you're going to notify through the email that your ticket has been created and the team is working on it. And finally, at the level of changelog, you're going to be notified on every update we make on the apps that you guys installed. If at some point you don't want to receive any emails, just disable it. That's pretty much guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach our support team who's available 24/7 to answer to all your questions.